Well, I was trying to get Colt to burp, but he decided to go to sleep instead. Hey Colt, you gonna burp? Colt. Hey Colt. Oh, this baby's a bundle of joy. Hey Colt. I know, you're upset. Yeah, you're upset. Can you smile for the camera though? Can you smile for all your people? Can you smile for them? Can you at least smile? Maybe? Okay. Yeah, Colt's done gave up on burping again. Went back to sleep again. Hey. Colt, can you smile? Give me that smile. Can you smile for the people? That's not a smile. Sitting on Peepaw's lap, I was trying to get him to burp, but him decided to go to sleep. Halfway smile. There you go. There you go. All right. We'll catch you later.